Okay, y'all. So this is the pineapple. This is a huge glass. So all I need is just that much. Hey y'all. I feel like I haven't done a haul in forever. Okay, y'all. This is the 5th look, last and final. Last but not least, this is the last look of the house. Hey y'all. Oh my goodness, we're 1 subscriber away from 1K. I know we're gonna hit 1K today. Hey y'all. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, y'all. Tears of joy. I am so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for y'all. Thank y'all so much. We reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers. Yay! I wish I had confetti and all that. Hey y'all. Yes, I'm back with another haul. And I'm trying a company that I never tried before. Yes, I'm trying Savage X Fenty by Rihanna, however you want to pronounce her name. Hey y'all. Oh, I'm so happy. My first pool day. Hey y'all. We got some paparazzi. April bought me a whole box of paparazzi. April, say hi. Hey I got a whole, I'm so excited.
We haven't seen each other since the movie.
Right?
The Tuscany. The You Me in Tuscany.
Look at this. Oh,
so I had accumulated. I was supposed to give her something then, and I didn't do it because it was going to the movie.
When was that? That was in April, I think.
That was in like April, so May, June, July now. So
damn.
That's where the big box comes from.
First thing I see, y'all know I love these bracelets. Y'all got these? My favorite bracelets. Paparazzi. Y'all make sure y'all get at April. I'll have the links and everything. Look at this. Oh my, I cannot wait. Cannot wait.
It's Tasha.
Cannot, it's Tasha. Definitely Tasha. Look! We got, Wait. Oh, this is so, oh, it's 3. Oh. Look, y'all. That's too cute. You get all 3 for $8 here. Ooh, I got this. What color? I got a different color. Oh my gosh. So cute. So cute. Cause it's too stinking cute and it's too stinking cute. Cause it's too stinking cute. Cause it's too stinking cute. What do we have here? A bow. Yo, I wear a bow to work every day. I get so many compliments on my bow. I cannot wear this. So I'm wearing this on Wednesday when I go back to work. Yep. So cute. My favorite color. And then it's that it's not, what material is this, April? It's not
It's cotton.
It's cotton? Oh, look at me about to hold makeup something. It don't seem like it's cotton though. It reminds me of something. I can't think of it. I don't know. Ooh, an anchor? Is this an anchor?
No.
Anchor ear. Stop. Cruise. Oh my God, I'm about to cry. Oh my God, that's so cute.
Can you imagine hearing her voice in your head when you see this jewelry? Like, that's what I imagine.
You did?
When I see this jewelry, I know Tasha's.
Wait, I got 2.
Tasha.
Did you mean to give me 2?
Yes.
I got
yes.
2.
2 in that and 2 in the picture.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh.
Back to
Look at this. Because why is it so little and cute like that? Who made
AirPods?
Who done made this little cute like this? It's functional.
Yep.
Oh, it's functional, y'all. It's. Look at that. That is cute.
I say you can put your old baby mints in it.
You can put coins. No, I'm going to put my coins in this because it'll be spread all over in the little wallet that I got. That is too cute. Too cute. OMG. What's the star?
I just won that, so that's an e-hustle. That means your personal volume went up. We had a goal, and it was 40, so that's what they sent to me.
Ooh.
I said, oh, Tasha would love this.
Stars? I love stars.
I was like, yes.
Because I'm a star. Look at
yes.
that. It's cute. And it comes with a necklace. Stop.
I was like, Tasha would love this.
I'm overstimulated, y'all.
I can't give this to my customers. I gotta give it to Tasha.
I'm overstimulated. Wait. We doing something here. Look at this. And it got a heart. Stars in hearts.
Yep.
Not the stars in the hearts.
I say, yep, Tasha.
I love stars. I love hearts. I love peace symbols. OMG. I haven't seen stars and hearts together in years. It's like they separated. This is so cute. I cannot wait. OMG. Well, we got lips.
I got those. I said, I got those last week. I said,
oh,
this Tasha.
This is so the style nostalgic because I had a lip shirt, a crop top years ago, and they had lips on it. Oh,
It's so special.
oh my goodness. This box is so made. We got pineapples. I just put up a memory lane of me with a pineapple bikini, holding a pineapple with a pineapple bag. This is so cute. I wish I still had that baby. So this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, it looks so real. Look like a real pineapple. Ooh, hearts. And this is like all the stuff that I wore after Valentine's Day, and I be wearing to work. I'm like, it don't have to be Valentine's Day to wear hearts and stuff. So cute. And I think I got a bracelet like this too from you. Yup. Ooh, I cannot wait. The purple. The purple. Now, y'all, I just actually wore this the other day with my mom to her doctor's appointment.
I saw it.
Oh my! They was like, "Where y'all going?" I was like, "To the doctor's appointment."
I told my mom. I told her. I said, "You gotta wear your cute stuff at the doctor.
You got, yeah, you gotta wear it.
Go nowhere else. Go to
right.
Wear it at the doctor.
Wear it now, and they got it in purple. Purple. This is so cute. And this would have went perfect with that dress I wore to the hotel that day for the TikTok.
Yeah.
But I sold that dress. It was too big. I mean, the back was bold, and I sold it. So cute. Yes. Oh my gosh. And the purple and pink. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh wow. I got another one?
Yep. So it's the yellow one.
Oh my
So
goodness.
let me give Tasha this.
Oh,
Even though she got another
yes.
one. You could stack them.
Yup. Stack
so
them.
cute.
Stacker. I wonder if I can fit on my ankle. Ooh, I could try it.
'Cause it does have
Yes. Yup. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, I ain't never seen these. This must be exclusive. Look at that.
I said, why?
That is too cute. Oh, it's so cute.
So cute.
Y'all been had these? I've never seen these. Ooh, she like, wait. Stop. Oh my God. All the sea stuff. Y'all know I'm a Pisces. Y'all know I'm a fish. Y'all know I'm a mermaid. Y'all know I love all the stuff. Ooh. Yes, baby. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And what is the sea creature? It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. Oh, let me just put it on. Y'all got to see it on. Look at that. Look. That is too stinking cute. Paparazzi be showing out. I mean, y'all are showing out. Y'all are showing out. What is this?
It's
A necklace. Oh, it's another fish. Oh my goodness. Oh, this, look, it goes what I'm. And you know what? It's so hot today. I was like, I ain't wearing no necklace. I was like, I don't even have no necklace to wear. And I wore this dress in Arizona. I would have that you could afford me a palm tree necklace or something like that.
Yeah,
I had that on a cactus. Yo, match right with it. Yes, it does. Look at that. That is so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. The detail.
It's like they know Tasha personally.
Yes. Right?
They're like, oh yeah, we know she gonna like this.
I'm telling you.
There's a customer for everything, and Paparazzi has a lot of stuff that Tasha loves. I was like, yes, it's, especially summertime. They put all of these gems out. And
This
it's
is
like, oh, yes.
these colors together is so cute. It's like a purplish green.
I don't even know why that's in there. Is it bright? Is it
It's like I don't know how.
I feel like it's coming apart. Yep, I gotta take. I'm supposed to
Okay,
make that pretty.
that's cute though. And what's this earrings? Oh,
Oh, that's the darn. I was not supposed to keep this stuff in there.
Why?
'Cause it's broke. It's broke.
oh,
It came to me like
it's
that.
so cute.
But it just has to get glued.
I got a hot glue
You
gun.
got good glue.
Yeah, look at this. But it goes like this, y'all. It goes like this. It's a cute sea creature. Oh,
Yep,
so
it's
cute.
It's a fish.
It's a fish too? Oh, they got all different kinds of fish. Well, let me put this in here, and let me put the other one.
Yeah, just so you
Here,
know.
put it in there, put it here. That one and that one. Here go I think it's back to one of them. Don't lose the pieces. Ooh. Another secret, I see. I think. Let me see.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yep.
Another. Ooh, look. Oh, she big. She is big. Look at her. She big and vibrant. Blue. Look at that blue, y'all. Look at that blue. That is so cute. Look at that. So cute, y'all. Where's all my water signs at, y'all? That is too cute. Let's see. Another one. Oh my God. I'm like a kid in a candy store.
That's the fun part.
Oh my
I know
goodness!
you
But
go
you
like
see
that.
it. You see, I got all the sea creatures coming
Oh,
to you.
I'm like, they coming, girl. They coming.
Another one. What color is this? Yes, and I do not have a lot of orange stuff. I don't have a lot of purple stuff. I noticed. And for me, they have my favorite color, blue. I don't have a lot of blue stuff. So cute, too cute. Am I shaking the camera? I'm shaking the camera. So cute. Oh my goodness.
I didn't even remember what stuff was in there because I just started putting stuff in there, and as I had it, I just started throwing it in the box. And I was like, April, do you
Come
even
to
know what's in
mama.
here?
Oh wait. Ooh.
Oh, I had to get you those. I said, I gotta get her the flamingos.
Wait.
I
And it
got
got
the flamingos. She had to get the
it got
flamingos 'cause
legs
she
and
always
everything.
on the island. She gotta get the flamingos.
Look, wait. Do y'all see the details? This would look cute with that pack 2 dress that I had. I sold that too. So cute. Oh my goodness.
She flapping in the wind.
She flapping in the wind. Oh my gosh. This is, look at the, it got legs and everything. It's a whole flamingo. Oh my god.
You know I know.
Because they could have went without the legs because you can't see them, but they got legs. They ain't ripped y'all off. They got the legs and everything. Dang. We almost at the end, y'all.
No, we not.
Oh,
she
no,
don't
we
even know it's
Oh, we got another one.
It's another one.
In a peach color
It's
one.
an orange.
Oh, it's an orange color.
It's
Ooh.
orange, but it look peach though.
Yeah, it does. Look at
But
that.
it's orange.
Yup, it's orange. Yes. Ooh, it's so cute. I got something to go right with this, y'all. Got something. It's in my mind. I got it. So cute. Is this 2? No, it looked like 2 though. So cute. So cute.
All right, so that is a whole kid. It's a whole nother situation.
All right, we did get rid of the box though, y'all. Oh, okay. You did say be careful.
Because it might drop out.
Okay. All right. So let's start. Ooh, ladybug. I love ladybugs. Ladybugs is a bug that I would never ever harm. Ever. Wait. Look at that, y'all.
Yeah, they're slowly
Look at that. Look how vibrant that black is. So cute. Oh my god. And she's so big and bold. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Flowers. Ooh. Why seem like
That's the one that goes with
so
your necklace and bracelet set. Remember, he was like, you don't have no earrings to go with this?
Yes.
I was like, yep.
Yes, it does. When the last time we went out, yup, goes right with it. So cute. Yes. Oh, that is so cute. Ooh. A ring. Is that a, no, that's not a bumblebee. No, it's not. Yes, it is. On a flower. Now look at the details. Look at the details. Because who would think to put that with that and it goes, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Landed right, because where else would they be but on a flower? That is too cute. That is too stinking cute. Okay, Beyonce, you know you want this. You know you want this. Just call us. We got you, girl. Oh my goodness. A cat? A cat? We y'all got cats.
Kitty cat.
Oh my
When they
goodness.
get cats, I said, I gotta get her.
Oh my goodness. Look at the cat. Oh, this is so cute. Look like a little, look like Nova.
Cat lady. So
Look
we gotta
like
have our
Nova.
cats. Gotta have our
Look
cats.
at it. Oh wait, y'all. Look, so cute. Oh, too cute. That is too stinking cute. And there's something like this, I'll wear this to work. But every time I wear a necklace to work, it breaks because it get pulled onto something.
Oh, okay.
But something dainty like that, that is cute. Ooh, fish. It go with the necklace. Where that necklace at? Where is the necklace? Here you go. Look at your. Oh my God. Why you ain't tell me it was a
I didn't
necklace?
even realize it goes.
Look. You can't put nothing past me. Yes, it does. It goes. Look, it goes. Look, why don't it?
Because it got the blue one.
Yeah, that's so
I
cute.
did not realize that.
Oh, I didn't even see the starfish. And the seashell.
Yeah.
Oh my. No, y'all don't see it. Look at that starfish and the seashell and the fish.
She gonna be
And
on
they kissing.
somebody's island.
I'm telling you. And they kissing and everything. That is too cute. Oh my, yes. That's why you said she thinks she's done, but she ain't.
I don't remember. I don't even remember.
And this go with the you show
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
And it's a dolphin. Y'all, it's a dolphin. Wait, how do I wait? That's right.
You can put it the opposite way,
Yup.
that way.
Look at the dolphin. So cute. But you showed it's a fish blue. You gave me a blue fish, right?
Mm-hmm.
They all gonna match. They all gonna come together. They all gonna come together. They all just too cute. I think this is yeah. Yeah, okay. Another dolphin, but it's silver. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See, I belong in the water. I should just be living in the damn water. So cute, y'all. Oh my God. All this stuff, I love. Everything. Make sure I got everything. Y'all, tell them all again, please. Tell them all your
I
stuff.
put all the link trees together. So I have 2 sites. I have the Niece Dazzling Things, that's my on-hand website, what I have in my inventory. And then I have the Paparazzi website, which has all these lovely things on that website. And it also has my 18 karat gold plate. If you're not into costume jewelry, we have something to fit everybody. We have stainless steel, rhodium plated, means doesn't tarnish. And it is $25 and up. So shop with me. Why
Shop with her.
With me?
Yes. Why y'all not shopping with her?
Why you not shopping with
Shop
me?
with her.
Shop with me.
What's that mean? Why you ain't let me something like that. Why you haven't got with me yet? It's one of them. Yeah, one of them means. Yeah, y'all need to shop with your girl, okay? With my girl. Y'all see all this stuff? Because when y'all see me, y'all gonna be like, well, then where you get all this from? And I tag you in it while y'all ain't shopped yet. Okay? Yeah, you gotta give me that link tree too. That way I can take you to everything. All her social medias and all that stuff. Alright, y'all. Do I remember my outro? Because I don't be on YouTube like that, y'all. Y'all be getting the shorts. I don't be doing long videos. So
This is a haul.
this is a haul. Yes.
Yeah,
She said you gonna do a haul.
Because I didn't know what was in here, but I was like, I know it's
Oh, I got some good. Oh, I'm gonna have fun. And I just did my my fragrances over, my drill. Oh, we gonna have fun putting all that stuff up. I cannot wait, and I cannot wait to wear this to work. They're like, ooh. And I got I'm gonna wear it with that the blue set that you got me last year, I think. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all hit up April Paparazzi. They got everything you need. Affordable jewelry, affordable accessories. Because y'all see that they have headbands and all that kind of stuff, bowls and all of this stuff. Alright, y'all. If y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so everyone can see all this good stuff I got. And so they can hit up April. Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what was your favorite item. And so next time, love you guys, child. Bye, my fashion dolls and guys. Bye. Hey, y'all. I forgot to say it in the video, but thank you again so much, April. I love you so much. Y'all make sure y'all check the description so y'all can shop with my girl. Click the links and shop with her. Bye.